Good afternoon, sir. We are here as group 7. We are going to talk about our system. Our system is called smoke detector system. Smoke detector system is an IoT system that will help to detect smoke when there is smoke around near building. Our system have different advantages such as preventing an accident when smoke detected, and also this system, when smoke detected, it will automatically provide an alert, and also this system will automatically provide extinguisher process when there is smoke detected around an environment, and then it will automatically open the door and the window when a smoke is detected. Yeah, let me call upon my colleague to continue and explain step by step or how the system will work and the functionality of each device in our project. Let's continue to the requirement needed to build this system. First, we have a smoke detector, door, window, fire sprinkler, switch, a smartphone, a gateway, a siren, and also we use the cable. This is the cable to connect all devices, and this is a wireless that use it to connect to the smartphone. Let's continue to explain each devices. Here we have smoke detector. Smoke detector used to detect if there is a smoke around our system. The second is a door. When a smoke detected, automatically the door will be opened. The third is the window. Window like door, when the smoke is detected, also it will be opened. Here there is a fire sprinkler. This fire sprinkler will provide the water when the system notify there is a fire or smoke detected. Here there is a switch. This switch connects these different devices.
Yeah, thank you. Then let's start with our smartphone. This smartphone will work as an interface which will help a user to interact with the systems. Then let's jump to home gateway. This home gateway, first in computing, home network gateway connects a resident building to local area network to the external networks. Then again, continue with sirens. Sirens will providing noise making. It's like a noise making device which will help to display an alert or a noise once there is smoke detected in the house. Then we go back to garage door. Garage door, as my colleague said, it will work as a doors or a window will be opened, which will help us to do as an exit to in the systems. Yeah, that one is a garage door. Then will help people in a house to get away from the buildings. Let me call upon my colleagues to continue by showing how this system breathe in conditions. Yeah, in backend, how the system work in backend.
We are continue to show how the system will work using condition. Here there are smart device used to control our system. We are logging using this is their all device connected to this smart device. Here we are showing all condition used to build this system. Here there are G smoke, G key smoke, and B smoke. Key smoke is this part, G smoke is this, and B smoke is this. The first condition is G smoke level greater than 0. Then set G door on to true. G door is this, and G fire sprinkler status to true. G fire sprinkler is this. Second condition is key smoke level greater than 0. Then set key fire sprinkler status to true. Is this. Then set key door lock to unlock. Is this. The third condition is G smoke level greater than 0. Then set B window on to true. Set B fire sprinkler status to true, and B doors lock to unlock. Then set siren on to true. This is siren, and B windows is this. B door is this. B fire sprinkler is this. And fourth condition is this B smoke level less or equal to 0. Then set siren on 2 files. Set B fire sprinkler status to files. And fifth condition, key smoke level less or equal to 0. Then set key windows on 2 files. Set key doors lock to lock. Set door to door lock to lock. The sixth condition, G smoke level less or equal to 0. Then set G door on 2 files. Set G fire sprinkler status 2 files. Let's call another member to continue to show the system will work physically.
Thank you, my fellow. Here we continue showing how this system works physically. Yeah, when we press on smoke provide, it provides the smoke. After, as you are seeing, the window are opened and the fire sprinkler pulls out the water to detect the effect can be caused by this smoke. And you are seeing that the window are opened also. Yes, thank you, sir, for your attention. As you are group 7, we are presenting this work. Thank you.